y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 days of Halloween, I am doing Cruella De Vil. I'm starting off by contouring my cheeks because she has a really prominent cheekbone, so I really wanted them to stand out. And as I got started, I decided I wanted to do part glam, part cartoon. So after I applied the regular bronzer, I went in with a gray eyeshadow as well. Doing the same thing, I'm going to contour my nose, so I'm first starting with regular bronzer and then I'm going to go in with a gray eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to contour my jawline because Cruella's face is really sharp and defined, and I don't know if y'all noticed, but I made a little mark on my nose. I'm going to end up taking that off because I did not like how it turned out. Now I'm applying some blush and then I'm going to move on to eyebrows. When I first did my brows, I used something I normally would. I just added more product to make them a little bit darker than normal, but I wish I would have used black, and I ended up going in with a black eyeliner when I was finished. That's why I have black brows in my intro and outro. I also took my arch up a little bit higher than normal since Cruella's eyebrows are really raised. I wanted to do them with my natural brows instead of hiding them with glue and concealer. So I ended up changing the eyeshadow too, but I'll go ahead and let y'all know what I did and then what I changed. But the new eyeshadow is what you see in the intro and outro. Not a huge difference, but that way you can pick and see which one you like better. So I'm just starting off with a transition shade. I think I'm using a Morphe palette. You can just use a neutral color, and then I'm going to use different shades of green for the rest of the look. Next, I'm taking a glitter green eyeshadow and placing it everywhere I did the regular green, and this is what I did different. Instead of going all the way up almost to my brow, I just did the glitter on my lid, and I didn't go quite as dark above my crease. I did just a lighter green. Using a black eyeliner, I'm lining my lower waterline, and then I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with a black eyeshadow. I did add some liquid liner to my lid, and now I'm just applying some mascara before I put on some false lashes. I know this is a Halloween look and it's kind of cartoony, but that sharp line in the eyeshadow is driving me crazy. That is why I ended up changing it, but you of course can do either way. Now I'm just adding some red lipstick and that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the rest of my Halloween looks. And be sure you tag me if you recreate any of these looks, that way I can see them and share them. All of my social handles are linked down below in the description bar. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.